Hi guys, how is it going? I know it's been a minute since I've actually been on here and done a video. So I'm currently sitting in my car after church. So I thought I would do a video on how I started my cleaning business, because I've had quite a lot of requests over on my other platforms. So I thought I'll come on here and do a proper video, and a lot of my short videos have been doing really well regarding to my cleaning business. So I started my cleaning business. I literally woke up one morning and I was like, I need a side hustle. What can I do? And cleaning business pretty much popped up into my mind. And I had been wanting to start some sort of business for quite a while now, but I just could not, I guess, quite figure out what I could do. So yeah, so what I did was I started watching videos on what products I can use, what is best to use where, what kind of microfiber cloth I need for the different areas, and then after that I registered my business. I got insurance, I got police clearance, and then I started looking for ways on how I could get clients. One thing I didn't do was I didn't wait until I had everything before I started my business. I literally just said, I'm starting a business, and I just went for it. Because sometimes the more you wait around for something to be perfect, the longer it takes for you to I guess start the business, because then all these doubts and fears start coming into your head. But if you don't if you just go for it straight away, the fears kind of haven't kicked in yet, and then you're more likely to go ahead with the plan. So once I've registered, I went to Bunnings. If you live in Australia, then you know Bunnings. If not, then I'm pretty sure there are other hardware stores that you can go to purchase the products that you need. I went and got my cleaning product, and then I got like a basket that I could put my cleaning products in there. I got microfiber cloth, I got the glass cleaners, and I think I got like maybe 5 products all together. I got a mop as well, which was a floor cleaner, a glass cleaner, a multi-purpose cleaner. I got some Gramsham / Jif for this, like to clean, to make everything nice and shiny and to clean the stoves with. And then I got what else did I get? I can't remember. Those are some of the products I got, and I literally started on that. So then how I then went and started getting clients was I went into an app called Airtasker, because I was looking at ways on how I could get clients, and I kept googling and researching on what was the best way to do, and Airtasker was one thing that was suggested, that people are always looking for a cleaner or some sort of jobs. And so I registered for Airtasker and I started bidding for jobs, because Airtasker, literally you can do any sort of jobs on there. Airtasker is like an app that people go and lodge a job if they need. Jobs could go from ironing to cleaning your house to dropping off some mail to there's just so many jobs on there. If you're after some quick cash, then try Airtasker, guys, because yeah. And I don't know if Airtasker works in every country, but I know it works in Australia, so that's what I used. From there I bid for jobs. I think I bid for so many jobs that I had, within 1 week I was already booked out, and I've been booked out, and I had like the next day I already had a job that I had lined up. Like I started my cleaning business like today, the following day I already had a job that I was going to. So I literally had to make sure I had all this stuff in place. So the next day I went to my job, and because I was really still kind of getting the hang of cleaning houses, when you clean your house, your own house, versus cleaning someone else's house, is very different. It's not the same kind of cleaning, because obviously these people are paying for your service, so you have to make sure you're a lot more detailed in your cleaning compared to if you clean your house. Because if you clean your house, you can say, you know, I'll do that today. So no. So I started doing that, bidding, and on there, people, like on Airtasker, people will give you a certain price. They will say, I'll pay you this much. But then you can then increase that price and say, let's say you were bidding for a job that someone had put for $300. You could increase that to, let's say, $350, because with Airtasker, they take 20% off, which is quite a lot, especially if you're bidding for lower job. So making sure you're bidding for higher jobs, then that way when they take out a certain percentage, you're at least still left with something. So I got a job the next day, went to that. Then again, like that whole week, in 1 week, guys, I made $1,000, and I was working 3 hours because all I could do was from like 9 o'clock to 1:30. That was my availability. So, and because I was also starting out, I was very slow. So obviously a job that would take me now 2.5 hours was taking me over 3 hours because I was too new to the cleaning. I didn't know what to expect, at the different houses. But now, if anyone says I have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, I know I can get that done in under 3 hours because I'm a lot more experienced and I'm a lot more faster at cleaning, where before it would take me so long to clean because I wanted it to be so good that they would then contact me or at least come back to me and ask me to clean again. So I made sure I was always cleaning really well. And not only that, but I also wanted to clean really well for my own experience because I knew the more experience I build up, the better it was for me. So I made sure I was really cleaning really well. Even though things were taking me a lot longer, I still wanted to really do a good job. So I cleaned for 5 days straight, but then as I went on, then within that 1 week, I got my first regular client. And guys, I was so excited because now I had my regular, like 1 fortnightly cleaning client. And that was really good because I knew if I just kept bidding for jobs, I would get more. And then on Airtasker, people also then bid for regular clients. So then I made sure I was bidding for regular clients as well, and also end of lease cleaning, which is the big one because that's where the money is. So if you want to do end of lease cleanings, it's a lot of work, but you get more money because obviously you're having to clean the whole house, like the whole house. And if you don't have a lot of time, it's hard. But if you have a lot of time, then obviously it's easier for you to get through doing that. And yeah, so that is pretty much how I started my cleaning business. And now I have gone from working by myself and struggling to get clients and bidding for jobs. In 1 month, guys, I remember checking my statistic on Airtasker, and in 1 month I had bid for 100 jobs, like over 100 jobs. That's how many jobs I was bidding for, because after seeing that I could make $1,000 in 1 week, and that was only working like literally 3 hours every single day, I knew if I just kept doing it, I could do and work a little bit more. I could get a lot more money and also more client and build my clientele. So once I literally got my experience, I then moved away from Airtasker because obviously the fee is there, and a lot of the people also on Airtasker are quite like low ballers, if that makes sense. They don't want to be paying too much, and they just want someone to come do a quick job and that's it. Where I wanted to offer professional cleaning, so I moved away from Airtasker. Then I started working on my social media, my website, and posting. And now I have gone from bidding for jobs and Airtasker, and now I'm doing cleaning jobs, like commercial cleaning, office cleanings, and my business has grown so much, guys, so much. And so if you're thinking of starting a cleaning business, definitely go for it. I think it's great, and you will learn so much, not just about cleaning itself, but about business as well, about marketing your business, who to hire, what is best for what. Like, you will learn so much. And cleaning is more like you're not just a cleaner, you're a business, you're an employer. You literally have staff, you have clients, you have a brand to look after. It becomes more than just cleaning. Cleaning literally becomes 10%, and the rest is marketing, branding yourself, and just making sure you have a business mindset. And not only that, but you really do have to change your mindset when it comes to business, because there will be times where you apply for big jobs and you get rejection, and you really literally have to remember to not take that personally and just kind of go, that's okay, that is not the job for me. But anyway, guys, I really thought I will do a video on how I started my business, and because I've just had so many questions, so I thought I might do a longer video. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know, and I will put I'll do my best to answer as many questions as I can. You can also check out my social medias, like TikTok, Instagram and Facebook as well, or under Matech Cleaning Services. And yeah, if you are in need of cleaning, then let us know also. We will do our best to get to you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.